How to turn on notifications for an account on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to turn on the notifications for an account, you need to head over to that particular account. Once you are in your account, you need to go to the settings. Here in this home screen at the top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. Select the settings and support option in the bottom. Again, select the settings and privacy option. After you're in the settings page, you need to choose this notification option. Next up, select this preferences option. And after that, tap on this push notifications. In order to turn on the notifications for this account, you need to enable this push notifications. So at the top right, you can see the toggle icon. Tap on this. Now the notifications are enabled for this account. You will be receiving notifications in your account. You can choose what kind of notifications that you want. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn on notifications for an account on X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.